I was looking at Amazon Kindle's online books and I realized how much digital art was on these book covers. And I was thinking to myself, wouldn't it be nice to have more fine art on these covers like we had in the old days? Let's do it. The first thing we need to do is piece together our design concepts. And then it's time to paint. Let's get painting. I took a picture of the painting with my iPad, then I imported it into GIMP, then played with the colors and turned it blue. I even softened up the sand with the fog tool. The image of the watercolor was layered above the paperback template that was downloaded from Amazon with the size of my thickness for my demo book. Then I pieced together my fonts and graphic image and Inkscape, and it went like this. Well, you can see there's final results here. The full page wraparound book cover, and then the cover that you'd see on the front of Amazon or a digital Kindle book. So that's kind of what I wanted to do, just put together a demonstration. I want to thank everybody for watching the video. This is certainly new for me, and I'm glad I could do this demonstration. And just let me know what kind of projects you think I should do in the future. And if you give me comments down below, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks again, everybody, for watching.